I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials ready: the image file and the destination URL. First, optimize the image for web load times and pick the correct format. Make sure the file name is clean. Next, verify the exact target link, including https:// and test it in your browser. Finally, choose where you'll embed the linked image: a raw HTML page, an email template, or a CMS editor, because the next steps depend on that environment. Now you implement the link in HTML. Wrap your im tag inside an href equals / a so clicks go to the target. Include alt text for accessibility and title for context. Once done, set explicit width/height or use CSS for responsiveness, and consider src set for multiple resolutions. If the link opens externally, add rel equals nupener and target equals blank to improve security and UX. Make sure the file path is correct and that the server serves the image with proper MIME type. Finish by thoroughly testing the linked image in the real environment. Click the image on multiple devices and browsers to confirm navigation, and watch for mixed content warnings if your page is HTTPS. Use DevTools to ensure the image returns 200 and the anchor href is correct, and fix any console errors. If the image doesn't load, provide a visible fallback CTA or plain text link. Key troubleshooting tip: if the link fails, check CORS and server headers first, since those often block images or redirects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.